Nigeria twadwadu pa movie industry no onye ne kese pa abete na hwehwemu no uhwa na bosumi atwam no Nigeria fo anka so mo hwehwe legends pa omu Mr. Ibu Fremu yaya na Jnr Pope wo de sebe ewo bia ye ewu na so abrante ewu ja chese ye dwene ho aye nti ase na ye abrante ono ye frɛ no TC a ono omukwa akotwa sini ewo one of the Nigeria rivers ni neja ewo so mu twansuo na ekɔ neja ansa yakoye movie no na ye Pope ani TC ni nkrofo ni bi crew ni bi ewo boat na boat no ekɔ no na anu adofo hwa anu odin edi speed na edi speed ni nya otum se Pope wo kasa so osre driver no boat driver ni so won to ne boss no wo ma ene yire mu asabe wo hwenti won to ne boss ye see fofie antoata boat yi ekɔbɔ one of the canoes a edane butu ya sabra mi ka se legends Jnr Pope wa hwere ne nkwa na ewuo ni yentimi ebi se wawu ebi se wonwu ye na sesi ade hwehwemu ne nkasebo a yenya ne dada ye twane de sabra Jnr Pope wawu na ye TC a wono de nyankopon ebo ano a wono onya ne tiri edidi mu a boat no dane ye no wono de obeka atiasefo ho ne ye kɔso ebonsuo no so ne enkomo omudi ye nyina TC wo hɔ a wode be maye ntie TC Nigeria actor no Emra Sisia.
My name is TC Okafo. I'm a Nollywood actor. First of all, I want to thank God for saving my life, because it's not easy. The way I don't know how I came out from that boat, understand? But the only thing I thank God for is that I came out alive with some of the crew members, like Sean Israel, Ogolo, one of my colleagues, Scooby-Doo. Okay, first of all, one night I was at Bearwood Hotel and I got a call from Ogolo. I said, Ogolo, they always call me when job day, and I'm my guy. So he called me, say, T Baba, I don't remember you, I get job. Where you did? I say, I did Bearwood. He said, okay, come to Wicked Man's house where we always shoot film, and it's around my area. So I said, okay, I'll be there in the next 1 hour. So I was still discussing with some of my friends that before I check my time, you don't pass 1 hour. And I call and say, I bet you did that location. They say, still there. I say, can you come? So when I got there, he said, he get a job for me. Then the next thing, Adam Maluk came out. So, because the last job I did for Adam Maluk, the name of the film is Shortcut. You know, say Adam Man my person. So anytime where I do work from, I do like saying a family. Even if I collect hire from other people, even if I can't work for them, I know they ask them how much it could be. That's why the first job I did with her, we finished the job. All of a sudden, person where I get respect for, she sent 30,000 to me. As in, I'm mad. That time, during that time, where BP do in music, man could see me again. Now me and Jerry and Milo, we dance for the video. We can't do video for BP promoting something. So back to what I was saying, they gave me a script. Then they started joking. They go, we go enter water, we go enter water. I say, which one? They say we go enter water. They say we go. I say, I beg, how the job be? He say they already don't start the job. I will be on set tomorrow. I say, you are giving me a script now. I say, I will be on set tomorrow. How I won't read all this thing. They say, I beg, they go need me tomorrow. I said, okay, no problem. Last night she said, make I go. Say we go talk for WhatsApp. I say no problem, but I beg, if true they cross water, I know they like cross water. It gets why everybody know where from come. Before I cross water, they go observe them. Now I say no, I say okay, let me call my spiritual mom. I called my spiritual mom, she said okay, no, say make I go, say nothing. Say if I finish, so far say if I finish, that's good why me supposed to give water. People say, make I still come bring them for them. I say okay, no problem. He reached the next day where I supposed to start the job. They don't call me throughout that. They are controversial. Why these people, they don't start this, their package. They will tell you be on set, they wouldn't call you. So the upper day, I got a call from Ogolo. I said they go need me this morning. I said, Ogolo, you go need me this morning, but your girl never call me. Why Adam Maluk never call me? He said, no, T Baba, say she go call you. I said, okay, let me come out with trust. I came out. Adam Maluk, half an hour for phone. Wait till you go pay. He tell me, say, make I talk now. I say, see how much why they collect to. She tell me, say, okay, see what thing go happen. Say she not to get money, I beg now. Say she have paid Jnr Pope. Say her money don't go down. Say him no say no be waiting at the collect, but I beg make I collect 100,000 from him. I said, okay, Ada, I'll take this job because of you. I say, because when I born Peking, I see her for one supermarket, which she bought me Pampers. And that was why how we settled in that our last job, the shortcut. So we'll come go the job that day. We'll fly, we'll first shoot for our campus, our campus forest. And they will be in the shoot. The next day they can't say no, they go Anam. Saying that for that Anam, their picture there. So when we got to Anam the first day, when I got to water, according to what my spiritual mom, I bought Fanta. I used alligator.
Somebody said that 100K hero, I'll be 100,000.
100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Understand? When I got to the place, I bought Fanta. I have 10,000 with me. I spray them for the water. Give small children wait on top of the water. The remaining 5K wait there to 200. I got small children on top of the water. We can't go that first day. So when we got to the location, Jnr Pope never come. They come, they wait for Jnr Pope. When Jnr Pope now came, if you watch the last video, that video where Jnr Pope post, now video we do day before yesterday, but he posted it yesterday because he was wearing a different clothes. That day he was wearing green, yesterday he was wearing red. So when Jnr Pope came, he came late around towards 1, 2. So already everybody done there exhausted for location. He come ask me too. I don't see your car. I say, Baba, I parked for Bearwood though. And for Bearwood, say, hey, see if they say no, if no carrying car, come down here since they thief for that marine. At last say, Baba, now so he be. So he was not comfortable. He did. Begin tell our PM, say he won't go, say he get us in body they do one. He now left. So I was with my small boy where they always use camera video me. I can't tell the guy, say, make him follow Jnr Pope cross, make him go. That was how he left that day. But that guy, my cameraman got one of the Selena boys tested, where they shoot with me. He carry in cord go where I beg. So he come tell me, say, he can go bring and been there yesterday. So we can't go that day. I can't tell PM, make I go, make I follow Jnr Pope for both. He tell me, say, no, if Jnr Pope, because he was the first man, I was the second man in command in the film. So he can tell me, say, if Jnr Pope go, who, if I go, who go come they shoot fear. Say, the guy who go look and tell me, say, if I won't go, I feel go, but still, make him tell me, make I go now, make I shoot. As Jnr Pope don't go, make I shoot. I say, okay, Baba, no problem. And meanwhile, when we started this job, I told Ogolo Alpha for my welfare, for money for my food. So he told me they don't get money for welfare. Say now 1.5 the budget for welfare. I can't laugh. Then I say me 1.5 morning, afternoon, and night. So now it means saying for 500. Now a budget for grown-up man like me where I go eat. Normally waiting be 1.5. If I go where I go chop, where I dey chop more than 4,000 for one plate. He said now 1.5 the budget, the team pay me. I say no problem. Adama look made a promise to us, we the guys where they should say she will transfer 20,000 to my account. So I go use and buy loud. We will go smoke. When we say we no go smoke ordinary Igbo, where they there. That money, she no send the money. I can't diverse, say she no send the money, and those guys feel saying don't send the money. She didn't send the money. And I told Adama, how far now? If me where they drive motor, that girl where the video dash 2 million, now me even go drop Okoli. Now me even carry am, I carry that, but normally I know the cab, but for my that my small spider, because of the kind of, I know they raise my shoulder high. I carry the girl, carry about 6 people, go drop them around 10 for night. Go drop everybody. Understand? Even so, and I ask her, say, you know they give me money for fuel. Even if not 2K, they bring the support. Make I add my own money. Make I buy fuel. So I say no. They say they don't get money for fuel for me. I say, you know what thing go happen? Since this thing be like this, it don't they cause trouble. No money. You know they give me welfare since I started the job. They have not given me food. No money for the welfare. They told me say now the food where they cook. Now I go eat that. I say no. Everybody get as in they live in life. You can't force me to eat what you cooked. Understand? So they say no money for welfare for me, no fuel money, and the loud money. she no bring them. That's the issue. I can't tell her, say, you know what's going to happen, Adamma, forget them, hold on. If you no want bring money for this thing, I'll come and finish this work. She come tell me, say, after that thing, why I tell her that thing, she cut phone. The next thing, she now called me and say, TC, why I dey tell the guys for the set, me they no cross water? Why I won't spoil the job? Why I won't make those guys no cross water? Go shoot for them. I can say, Adamma, I never said so. I was only talking for myself. Say, I know they like cross water. I get time while they use cross water, and I get time while they use go back. I only spoke for myself. I am not speaking for anyone. At last I beg. Now that day I can't, now for that phone now I say, you know what thing will happen? If this thing won't bring problem, I beg hold the phone money, hold the welfare money, Adama make I do the job. And I asked my PM to tell Adama to send me that cheap 100,000. What is 100,000 now?
Ah, e wo bia ye wo na so enua be me we in fact ya pa enkola mmemua fefefe miensa yi Jnr Pope no so wo kirema ne ma me wo no nkran ne ba asase so ano odi we de me ma okunani no ye ma no ya kopa won te ye kasa ide ne so ye nim se e bi mo de be fa enframa foforo mu edi ama no me da asese wo je bretwen.